Hi you guys, and thank you so much for tuning into my channel. So today I have, was it July? I have July's Beauteque Monthly Beauty Box versus Mask Maven. Do you want to know what's in my box? Stay tuned. Okay, you guys, so my Beauteque Monthly for July just arrived, and I'm really shocked because it has been later and later. Now it's kind of like this is their normal time, the first week of the following month. So I'm really excited that I got it early this time, or on time this time. Let's go ahead and get into the Mask Maven because this one is quicker. So we'll go ahead and dive in here and see what masks we have. They always put them down in this purple little bag right here. The theme is always gonna be the same, just this one does not go over pricing like the beauty box does. So let's remove it out of that. Last month for July is Rise and Shine. There's the theme. And then in here it does go over each individual mask, but again, it doesn't go over pricing. So what we have here is here's a peel off lemon mask, an egg white sheet mask, coffee sheet mask, honey sheet mask, a real eucalyptus sheet mask. This one looks cute. This one looks like a mango. It says smoothie time mango. The packaging, they're always so cute on these though. And then here's a pomegranate smoothie time. Here is an aloe. And this one is pureness firming up mask, but look at this look on that face. What you talking about? What you talking about, Willis? That little look on that face. What you looking at? So here are all of the masks for Mask Maven. Now let's go ahead and dive into the beauty box and see what we have in here. So when you first open it up, there's the card. Again, the same theme, but this one goes over pricing. When you remove the sticker, oop, there's another one inside too. I got two. I got a twofer. That's what it looks like inside. The first item right on top is a Honey Radiant Glow Cream. And I think that's really cool because you have a pure honey face mask and then you have this honey item here. So this is what the packaging looks like. And this says it retails for $18. Keep your morning glow all day with this cream. Formulated with honey extracts to help nourish even skin all day long. This cream also works to unclog pores and treat acne. So wake up in the morning with a fresh face. In the morning after washing your face, apply a small amount of this glow cream evenly to your face. This cream is infused with 20,000 ppm of honey extract for powerful moisturization. This is a really cute package. And then look at the top up here. There's butterflies and these little flowers. I like how it's like etched on the outside of the design. Oh, the whole lid is like that. That is a cute lid. Look, there's a bird and everything. That is a really cute lid. I'm loving this lid. And it says the glow cream. And it smells like honey. Ooh-wee. Yes, it does smell like honey. So I'm really glad that I got this. Honey is really good for your skin, so I'm really glad that this is in there. And I really like the packaging. It's a nice glass jar, and the lid is just the cutest lid. I love that. So there's that, again, valued at $18. So now we have is a Waterberry Facial Mist, Moisture Mist with fresh filling. So there's that. This is valued at $9.99. And it even has a little thing on here where you can write the date that you opened it, so you know how fresh it is. See, it says date opened. You can write the date right there. I was hoping it wasn't gonna smell like rose because it's pink, because it's waterberry. I was hoping it was gonna be like a berry, but it kind of got in my hair too. I don't smell anything. That's my thing. I don't really have a scent at all. I don't really smell anything at all. So that's good. Because I was afraid it was going to smell like rose. So this right here says, wake up and spray away dryness with this facial mist. The non-sticky formula penetrates deep into the skin to hydrate and nourish every pore and deliver some much needed moisturization. So it seems like this month's theme is all going to be about moisturizing, which I'm all for that. This right here says Air Cotton Makeup Base. I don't think we've ever received it. So is this like a primer? This is valued at $8. Oh, it says lavender. Yes, it does. Air Cotton Makeup Base Lavender. This lavender color correcting primer ensures the most flawless finish of your makeup. Its purple coloring neutralizes dullness or shallow skin for an even complexion all over. You can even wear it by itself for an added radiance during the day. I'm not going to open this or anything because if you guys follow me, you know I don't want anything to do with lavender. There is a good old safety seal right there. So I will go ahead and just stick this in a future giveaway for one of you guys to hopefully enjoy. So then the next item is this right here. It says Goat Milk Moist Up Foam Cleansing. And it's by Pax Molly is the brand. Oh, how cute. Their packaging. This is valued at $12. Do you like milk in the morning? We do. Formulated with goat milk, this cleanser is not only great for sensitive skin, it is also hypoallergenic. It soothes, revitalizes, and nourishes the skin while minimizing pores and removing impurities. So that's what that looks like right there. Wash your face with lukewarm water. Squeeze a small amount of cleanser onto the palm and apply it to your face. Massage into your face for 1 to 2 minutes and then dry off. So let me remove the safety seal. So there's the top of it. It's just a regular white cleanser. And I don't really have a scent or anything. I'm not picking up on a scent. Oh wait, here we go. I do kind of smell like a little bit of a, kind of like a little milky, kind of like a sweet kind of milky scent. All right. So that's a Moist Up Foam Cleanser, $12. So now we have is a chamomile. May the joy and happiness fill every minute of your day. What is this? These are blotting papers. This is valued at $5.99. And how to use: gently press the paper onto the oily areas of your face in a dabbing motion and absorb. So we have a package of blotting papers. Does it say how many are in there? I'm not sure, but that's a good size little packet in there. Valued at $5.99. Okay, and then the last item in here, and with the Beauteque monthly beauty box, you always get one type of mask. It can be a sheet mask, it can be a wash-off mask, it can be a butt mask, it could be a hand mask, a foot mask, a lip mask, this can be a hair mask, it can be anything. So this month we got a Water Luminance SOS Ampule Double-In Mask. So we did get a sheet mask, but then there's this extra little ampule down here that you can add afterwards. So definitely good with hydration this month. I'm thinking this is a good month. So this is valued at $3.99. Give your skin the hydration it deserves. A hydrated face helps keep your skin youthful and bouncy and allows the skin to look smooth. The sheet itself is a Cupra sheet, which adheres tightly to the skin, allowing for high absorption rate while feeling soft on your skin. So that is everything that came in the beauty box. The beauty box, we have this sheet mask, we have the cleanser, we have a lavender base, which I'm assuming is kind of like a primer or skin color correcting base. We have a facial spray, blotting papers, and this Honey Radiant Glow Cream, which I'm really excited to try. So I think both were actually really good. Definitely about hydration, moisturizing. That's really good right now for the summer with the heat drying out our skin. So that is everything that we got in last month's bag and box. Comment down below. Let me know, what did you think of the theme? What did you think of the products? I really like this month. I think they really did very well this month. Now, if you want to know a little bit more about Beauteque Monthly, the beauty box is $24 a month if you do month to month, $23 if you do 6 months, $22 if you do 12 months. Shipping is an addition, and you get 6 full-size products delivered to your door. And if you do Mask Maven, it's $15 a month, $14 if you do 6 months, $13 if you do 12 months. Shipping is an addition as well. And that one you get 9 unique hand-picked sheet masks, which could also be wash off, eye, lip, hair, and more. So mainly sheet masks, but every now and then you might get a few others. Like this month we have a wash off and the rest are sheet masks. If you order by the 15th of the month, you get that month. I will have them linked down below if you would like to check them out. Again, comment down below. Let me know, what did you think about this? Your positive interaction means the world, and I greatly do appreciate it, as I greatly appreciate every single one of you guys. So until next time, you know that drill. Keep a smile on that gorgeous face of yours, and I will see you on the next one. Bye. Crafty crew, out.